So guys, now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day, right, on our odd US dollar. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do all to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel. To those of you that are new and you don't yet subscribe, right, subscribe to the channel. Let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our odd USD. So I want you guys to know these two rules of trading, which we always repeatedly announce on this channel. We do say first you need to know where your trend is, and second you have to trade with the trend. Now if you take a look at this movement right here, our overall trend, we are going to take a look at the main trend, and we're also going to take a look at the current trend. Now our main trend, right, on our odd USD is an uptrend move. This is our main trend. We are in an uptrend move. Market is very much trending to the upside. But when you now take a look at what market is doing, which is the current trend, we are in a downtrend move. So this is our current trend. So because of we would want to know what market to be doing for the day, then we are going to make use of our current trend. That is what is the market currently doing, and it is very clear we are in a downtrend move. So this is our low, and this is lower high. This is the lower high. Market then was able to drop again to form a new lower low right here, and this is a pullback, little bit of a pullback, which is a lower high. Then here comes the new lower low, which is a drop to form a new lower low, right? Markets eventually push up again to form a lower high right here. So markets did form a lower high, which is an equal lower high. So it formed an equal lower high right here, right? So with this equal lower high that market did form, markets eventually drop. So we will be expecting market to drop more till it is able to take out this low, thereby giving us a new lower low. So guys, we will be expecting market to drop one more time for the day till it is able to completely take out this low, thereby giving us a new lower low. So if you are a day trader, the one thing you would want to do is looking for a sell. So do not just hop in for the sell right here. The reason why I said so is that when you take a look at this massive candlestick that market did give us, right, what usually follow up next is a pullback. That is what always follow up next, except you are using a very wide stop loss, which is not very much encouraging. But what usually follow next is a pullback. So I will advise you to probably wait for market to pull back to level 70, 370, to level of 0.70, 370. If you can consider that level, then you might now want to start looking for your sell setup that will eventually drop to form a new low. So above all, we will still be anticipating for the movement to the downside.